Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete a Netflix account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search a type web address option, enter here netflix.com. This will take you to the official web page of the Netflix app. Now, scroll down and tap on Help Center option. Scroll down and here you can see an option of Cancel Account. Tap on it so you can see that just by the 2 click I have successfully cancelled it. So you can scroll down and see that how do I cancel account. Tap on it. I can see that Netflix is flexible. There are no pesky contracts and no commitments. You can easily cancel your account online in 2 clicks. There are no cancellation fees. Start or stop your account anytime. So this is how you do it. This is how you delete account on Netflix. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.